Hello out there, everybody. This is Trailrider 570. Today, my sponsor, Kemi Moto, sent me something really cool we're going to be installing on a Ranger 500 EFI, and we'll get started here in a few. Hello everybody, my friends at Kemi Moto sent me this to do an install and review on, and we're going to kind of do an unboxing here to see what's in here, and as well as don't forget check out my channel sponsors, Kemi Moto, Mudbusters, as well as Polaris Industries, who help support my Ranger. Thank you very much. Now we'll get going on this. First thing we're doing is we're going to cut this box open with this really dull razor knife. I already know what's here. And I kind of had three choices, and I requested this one because I thought it'd be cool. Anyway, we open the box up, and here it comes. I know you're asking yourself what it is. This is a storage box for a Polaris Ranger. It goes from 500 all the way up to 1,000. It's just like the Polaris Ranger one, but a whole lot cheaper, and it's all set up to be lock and ride. So we're going to open it up here and see what's in it. And it should be, we got a lock. They give you a lock, which is cool. I'll open it up here. We'll see what's in here. They give you a cable. Right here's a cable for it. They give you some rubber bumpers. They give you a combination lock. So you get a combination lock with it as well. The lock I won't put on there because I'm going to, actually this is going to go on a machine that's a friend of mine's. And so he'll have a combination lock so he can carry stuff in there. It's supposedly 20 quarts, should be able to carry, well, if you're going on a ride, and it does have a rubber gasket here, so it's waterproof, watertight. You can put water bottles in here, and I suppose if you want to get creative and it was empty, you could throw some ice in this bad boy and put some waters in it. I mean, for an average ride, this will keep it cool enough until you get back. Like I say, it's waterproofed, has this nice latch, and they give you a combination lock as well to put on it. The combination's in here. I won't show that. Then they give you this cable here that you can put on the lock as well, and you can anchor it. So if you run along, you don't lose your padlock. You can keep it right with it. But I don't know how much the cable will actually get used, but they give you one. And I've been trying to fiddle around in here, get the instruction sheet out. I believe it's all straightforward. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. On this side here, we got these three pieces that hang down. These are actually, I see what these are. These are extra bumpers in case you ever lose them. You can replace these bumpers. They give you extra bumpers. So what you do with this thing, this is going to be really easy. We're going to go to the machine. Just like that. The simplest install ever. Put her on there. We'll load her up with some tools or some stuff here. We'll go take it for a ride and we'll see how it holds up. Takes a vibration. But that's how it sits on there. And what's nice is they ride their dog. They go for rides with us, so we can put waters for everybody in here. You don't have to worry about them getting dirt and dust on them when you're drinking the water. So it sits right on there. And if you don't need it, it's got handles underneath here too. You can do that, and it's built strong enough you can stand on it. I'm jumping to That's how strong it's built. So it's built strong enough that you can stand on it. It should be a good unit. I'm kind of upset that I should have kept it for myself, but no. I promised a good friend of mine, so he's gonna get it. This is actually his machine. He's our cameraman today. But there it is, and it should ride good. It locks right in there, just like that. You can close the tailgate now. Just like that, and we can grab some stuff because this stuff here, and we're going to try it out. We're going to run around a little bit with it and see how it rides. I'm going to be the cameraman. My buddy's going to drive, and we'll ride around. We're like to say, you can put whatever you want in it. You got an impact here. Throw that in there. You throw an impact in here. Charger if you want. Put it on there. It's in a watertight box, so if it's raining, you got about your tools getting screwed up and messy. It has a nice embossed Kemi Moto logo right on it, and it's actually pretty stable, sturdy. It's made to fit multiple machines, so even on this one here, it doesn't touch the floor. And on the Ranger 1000, it sits it'll sit a little bit higher, but you can get multiples. I've actually seen a guy up here that's got 2 of these, one on each side, that's what he uses. So, but I guess I was going to do an install video, but that's all there is to put it on there. So that being said, our next part of our video, we will be going for a ride, and I'll be filming it, how it rides back here. We already got some stuff in it, and we'll go from there. So we'll be going for a ride with this anyway and checking it out, and finish our review of it. Like I said, we got a few things in there, and when we get going here, we're going to make a little trip, and we'll actually take it on a trail, a close trail here, and see how it rides, handles the trails, the bumps, and everything else. But we'll get back with you in a few then. Okay, guys, we're road testing it. It's right here. We're actually on a rescue mission. This pure coincidental. His son is stuck out on a trail with a flat tire, so we're actually going to make use of it and go out and see if we can help him out. So we'll get with you, but we might as well do a little ride here too. How's that? Notice that the thing's just sitting right there. So it'll be nice. It's like I say, it's got a waterproof gasket on there, so that it's waterproof, and which means it's also going to be dust proof, because we got a little bit of dust coming out today because it's drying up. So we've had a lot of rain, but now it's turning into dust. So we're going to go out here in the road, and we'll head down the road a little bit. That's where he's broke down at. We're just trying to be careful on our way here. This is a pond. It's part of our association in the trees here. So we'll get back with you when we hit the trail. Okay, he should be up here somewhere. We're going to turn to our right up here. Let's see what we got here.
This side.
This side? Well, these ATV tires, you can't really tell. Oh yeah, she's down there. So we'll have to go in our Kemi Moto bag here. This is cool. We actually got an air compressor in here. We're going to try to put some air in it. Maybe it just hit something that popped it off the bead a little bit. I do have a plug kit in here, and impact and stuff like that if we need it. So we'll get the air compressor out and air up the tire on it. Excuse my camera angles. Set our air compressor up here. We'll see what happens. Hit a bump and just loosen it right here. You can see a little bubble there. It'll tighten up. It should tighten up. Yeah, it tightened right up. It was right there. That was 20 pounds of air. We'll give her just... That looks about right. But hopefully that's all it was. I noticed right over in here, see it's kind of wet. He had a little bit of air bubbling out, but we might have got seal up here. It seems to be holding, so we'll call her the rescue mission a success here. And that being said, this Kemi Moto box is awesome. I mean, we got to carry about everything we might possibly need in here. And if you notice, the exterior, it's already collected some dust, but the inside's nice and dust free. And we even found a spike, because they used to log this with tracks around here. So that being said, if you're new to my channel, as always, hit that subscribe button, click all, like and share and comment, and I will see you in the next video. As always, goodbye and God bless for now. Ride nice, I think. A whole lot better than a golf cart. Oh yeah, I'm happy with this.